HealthBreak is sponsored by Dignity Health Central Coast.
As our population ages, total joint replacements of the hips and knees are becoming commonplace. Dr. James Lawler, an orthopedic surgeon at French Hospital Medical Center, says total joint replacements decrease pain and increase range of motion.
And best of all, it will allow that person to regain their function and their ability to enjoy activity and sports, and then even their ability to sleep at night without being awakened.
Dr. Lawler explains that over the last 4 decades, there have been tremendous improvements in joint replacements.
Both in the materials that we put in and in the anesthetic and in the physical therapy following joint replacements. Dignity has committed itself to making their orthopedic program state-of-the-art. They have built a whole ward for postoperative care. They have purchased expensive equipment and tables for hip replacements. It's wonderful because we have an opportunity to replace worn-out joints and gain your life back, which is wonderful for me to be able to offer that to patients.
For more information, visit dignityhealth.org/Central Coast.
HealthBreak was sponsored by Dignity Health Central Coast.